And also, just for information, I'm told that Mr. Matubato has left the building. But I'm trying to get in touch with him. We're trying to get in touch with him. Elvis?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Your Honor, on July 20, 1997, the dead body of Gaudencio Bersabal Jr. was found at King Beach, Pantucan, Davao del Norte, and was buried in Pantucan Municipal Cemetery on July 28, 1997.
97?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung maraming mina, di ba? Maraming minahan at saka madalas nagla-landslide. Tama ba yan?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
So just give us a copy of that, please. Ibang,
You have a copy of that?
iba po yan
And,
sa version ni Mr. Matubato.
Comsec, please mark the evidence.
And then yung sa kay Sally Macdum, siguro narinig nyo na yung kwento tungkol kay Sally Macdum para hindi ho umaba ay ang sabi po ni Mr. Matubato ang kasama dun sa pagplano ng operation against Macdum, Las Cañas, Capote, Ubales, Furog, Gaston Aquino, Medina, and Jim Tan.
Well, those who were mentioned who are here, please raise your hand. Let the record state that Mr. Capote, Mr. Aquino, Mr. Tan, Mr. Medina, and Mr. Obales, and Mr. Las Cañas have raised their hands. And who else? Sino pa? Medina? Di ba na-raise mo na? Wala na ibang nag-raise na hand, no? Okay, sige, okay.
So, syempre po, tinatanggi niyo po yun. Ang sabi po ni... Yes po?
Hindi po totoo yan, Your Honor. Kasi kung mapayagan nyo, kung may ipakita po akong dokumento dito, Your Honor, na nangyari ang MacDom is 2000. Ang napasok ako kapag kapulis is 2001, Your Honor. Nandito po yung appointment ko, Your Honor.
Namatay si Macdum ng 2002?
2000, Your Honor.
2000? Sabi ni Mutabato, 2002, namatay si Sally Macdum. Pero sa iyo, 2000 namatay si Macdum.
2000 po, Mr. Chair.
Ang sabi ni Matubato is 2002, pero ang record, Your Honor, is 2000.
2000.
November 8,
sinabi ko.
2000.
Oh. November 8, 2000, namatay si...
According to the records filed at NBI office, November 9, 2000.
November 9, actually 2000, namatay si Macdum.
Yes, sir.
At yan ay nakalagay sa NBI records, ganun ba?
Sa yung sa print, yung yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. No.
Meron ba kayong record ng NBI dito niyan?
Sa record ng NBI, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Mr.
Mr. Chair.
Obama?
Recovered ba yung body ni Macdom?